NABN, New Africa Broadcasting Network.
Ayo, get up.
How was your work today?
Have you found a job yet?
I did not get any job, sir. All the places I went, they keep telling me the same story, that unless I have a work permit, they cannot give me any job.
Looks like you're sleeping all day.
I've not been sleeping on the couch all day, sir. Please.
Listen, when I first saw you, I told you this, that I have a small apartment like you can see. This is a one-bedroom apartment. My wife had a baby. Her mother's coming, okay? Listen, we have a very small space here, all right? I told you this 3 months ago that you need to really get yourself together real quick. You have 3 days to get out of here. Do you understand me?
Please, sir. Please.
Okay.
Please, sir.
I don't want to hear any more of this. You got 3 days to move out.
Just listen to me. Give me a little time.
Listen, I have no more time. You've been here for 3 months. All right? How many more months do you want? 3 months should be more than enough time for you to find a job. You know what the situation is, and basically what you're doing is laying on the couch all day. All right? Go get yourself a job, because I can't keep you here. I'm a very patient man, but you're pushing all the wrong nerves in me. So get yourself a job and move out. Do you understand each other?
Please, don't leave me alone. I'll find a place.
Okay, I don't want to listen anymore.
Please, sir. 3 days. Lord, Lord, help me, please. Where am I going to go? Lord, help me. Oh, Lord. What am I going to do? What am I going to do, Lord? Oh, Lord, what am I going to do?
Yes, Mr. Ayo. Just give me your driver's license and your social security card, and I'll make a copy, and you can get started.
Did you say driver's license and social security card?
Yes, those are the legitimate papers. You're legal to work in America, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
So if I have that, you would employ me right away?
Yes, pretty much your social security card and your driver's license, so that when we pay you, you want to make sure you get paid, right?
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir, I don't have them here.
Okay. Yeah, just go ahead and bring it. Where do you have them? At home in the car?
Not at all, sir.
Well, I'll be here all day. See you later.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Mr. Ayo.
How about if I don't have those documents? Can you still help me with something like mopping the floor, you know, arranging your shelves, everything in your supermarket? Can I, even security?
Oh, not with this organization. We only hire people that are legitimate, legal to work in America.
Sir, please, sir, I beg you. I beg you in the name of God.
Have a good day, sir.
Please, sir, help me. Just help me. Any way you can help me.
Ayo. 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 Ayo.
Oh my God.
Oh my.
Femo,
Ayo.
is this you?
AYO.com.
Femo, is this you? Femo,
Oh my God.
is this you?
This is me live from the
Long time no see. What are you doing here?
Look, I should be asking you the same question. What are you doing here?
Femo!
AYO.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
AYO. Oh, so not even bother to call
Do I
me.
know you are in this country? I don't know.
AYO. AYO. Now tell me, so where have you been staying?
I'm staying with a friend of mine.
Which friend? You sighed. You don't seem happy.
We'll talk about it later.
You know what? This is my territory. Yeah. Come on. This is my car. Get into my car. I'm taking it for a ride.
Really?
That's right.
Yeah. How you doing? Hey. I'm looking for Pastor Adeshola.
Where are you here?
No, this is his address.
This is my house, man.
You live here?
Yeah.
Please, do you know?
I don't know.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Please, sir. The pastor I came to check, Pastor Adeshola, I was told he has been moved, and they don't have any idea where he has moved to. I don't know if you can help me, just for a few days.
I'm sorry, I can't help you.
You can't help me?
Nah.
No, what I mean is I just want a place to stay before I make contacts. Just 3 days.
Listen, I have a big family. I can help you.
Yes, sir, you told me your name is Ade,
Yes,
and I
it
know
is.
you are an African. Please help me. I'm just coming from Africa. Please.
Listen, I have a big family, okay? You know, and I have only one bedroom apartment. I can help you.
Please, God will bless you. God will bless you abundantly. Just help me. Just few days, and I will make my contact. Believe me. Please, sir. Please. God, please, sir. Please.
Okay,
Please,
okay.
please, sir.
Listen, 3 days.
Yes, sir.
3 days only, okay?
3 days, sir.
After 3 days, you're out.
No problem.
Okay.
Thank you, God. God bless you. God bless you. I put this, I'll carry this in my lap. I'll
Put it in
carry it on my lap, sir.
Eric, that is all my story.
Wow. You know, if you ask me, I'll say the man tried. I mean, hosting someone here for 3 months is not really a joke.
Well, I do agree with you. He really tried, but This guy is telling me to leave his house in 3 days.
3 days? Oh my God. That's rather too soon. So, what are your plans? What do you plan to do right now?
What are my plans? Eric, what other plans do I have? Other than for me to go back to his house and pack all my belongings and start looking for a job anywhere I can get one. I mean, I want to ask you something. I'm planning on even going back to his house to beg him for more time. What do you think?
No. You're not gonna do that. I'm taking you to my house right now. Okay? I live alone in a big 3-bedroom house. Alright? So you're coming with me.
Nick, are you telling me you want to go and show me where you live? That's fine.
No, you're coming to live with me.
To come and live with you?
Yes.
But Eric, how about your wife and your children?
AYO.
Eh? Eric?
There's no wife.
Eh?
There's no kid. I'm not ready for this wifey thing right now.
Yeah?
But shh, I've got this girlfriend. Stacy's her name. She's smoking hot.
Eric. Erico.
AYO.
You have not left all those rascality.
Come in.
Femo. What?
Femo. AYO.
What happened to your key?
AYO. Hey, listen. I don't believe in barging into a single man, alright? I don't believe that. Single man at home. You know? I don't believe in sneaking in.
Look. I understand exactly what you're talking about. And you cannot sneak on me, okay? You cannot catch me doing any funny thing, alright? Anyway, who is this beautiful?
This here is my queen, my girlfriend, Stacy. Stacy Reeds, my friend and brother.
Finally.
How you doing?
Stacy, I'm glad to meet you, finally. I've heard a lot of nice things about you.
Like what?
Well, congratulations, my brother. You now have yourself a job and an apartment.
A job and an apartment?
That's correct.
Really? Oh, thank you.
This here is my new haven.
This place?
Yep, it's my haven in New Jersey. You're gonna need an ID card, okay? And because you're my brother, I'm going to give you mine to work with, okay? What are you looking at? What?
I don't seem to understand what you say.
What is there not to understand? Okay. I'm going to declare my card missing. All right? File for another one. If I get it, then I'll give it to you to work with.
You want to declare your own missing?
Yes.
But that is a lot of risk involved.
What risk?
I'm scared. I mean, I believe this is going to be a risky thing to do.
No, there is no risk involved. Okay? It's me doing it for you. And by the way, there is no photograph in it. There's no picture whatsoever.
Oh, no picture on the ID?
Yes, there's no picture on the card.
Oh, you scared me.
Okay.
You know, I've not done this before. You know, I was just so afraid. I was thinking there's going to be a picture on it. Then I'm going to be carrying that around. You know, you understand what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I totally understand. And you also need a driver's license. Okay, you need a driver's license. So I'm going to talk to my people and see how they can hook you up. Okay? So that shouldn't be a problem. Listen, I got to run. You have your bag. Remember, you have your bag in the car.
Yes, I'll follow you outside now and get my belongings.
Okay. Just one more thing. Sometimes it's kind of hard for me to drive all the way from New York to New Jersey to take care of my tenants. Okay, so now that you're here, just do me the favor, you know, clean up the neighborhood, the yard when you have to. Take out the garbage. And, just if they need anything, you just take care of it for me.
You should.
Okay.
You can count on me. I'll be your eyes, your nose, your ears, everything. I'll make sure everything is fine. There's no problem.
Hey, I gotta run. All right.
Thank you. Can I come with you so I can get my thing from the car?
No, don't. I'll just take your things back to New York.
Hello? Yes, speaking. Agnes! How are you? Yes? Yes. For real? Oh my God! You got it! Oh my God! Tell me more. Yes? Okay. Oh, I'm so happy for you. Finally, you're gonna be joining your husband. This is great. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, I just went to the grocery store. I'll call you tomorrow. Okay. Say hello to Mama. Okay? Okay, bye-bye. I love you, sweetheart. I love you. Bye-bye. Hey, Femo, what's up? How you doing now? How you doing, my man?
Your name is Paul.
Don't mind me. That is the name they gave me at this place. Man must eat now.
Paul
you understand?
is better than Ayo.
Well. Why are you not at work today?
No, I actually went to work. I came to drop Stacy off at her mother's. She's taken her to the hospital.
Wow, that's nice of her.
Oh yeah, she likes to do things like that. Just herself.
I understand. Bawoni, did you get my text message yesterday?
Ayo. Why didn't you tell me she was even planning to come?
Sorry. Hey, I'm coming. Okay. Give me 1 second. I'll be there. Give me 1 minute. Let me... You see, I'm so sorry. I wasn't really sure if she was going to come. Because we didn't know if she was going to get the visa or not. So that's why I didn't tell you. I'm so sorry about that.
I see. So when is she coming?
She's coming in next week. It's on the 15th. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You and this your thing. That thing hurts me.
I'm so sorry.
I'll see you on the whole
It's not going to hurt
establishment.
you. She's coming on the 15th, and it's a Friday morning.
Okay, which airport?
Newark Airport, right here.
All right. Tell you what. I'm gonna bring my car, and we'll go pick her up.
Hey, my main guy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everything you are doing for me.
What are friends for?
Thanks a lot.
All right, so I'll see you on Friday. Huh?
Okay, no problem.
Follow.
Don't make me laugh, this is America, And don't let my bosses to see what you're telling me. All right, take it easy,
Right,
Okay, I have to get back to work,
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Ayo.com. Dude. Well, dude, you really haven't changed. You still have this sharp culinary prowess. Well, let's make a toast to our friend, sister, and of course, wife, Agnes, who found a way into the United States of America. May you have long life
Amen.
and prosperity.
Amen.
And may your stay in the United States of America be filled with everything you ever dreamed of.
Amen.
AYO.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Long life.
Man, let's leave the ladies so we can discuss the issue, remember?
Sure. Ladies, enjoy yourself. Casey, make yourself comfortable, okay?
Thank you. Honestly, Agnes, you know I'm really happy about meeting you, right? You know your boyfriend, Ayo, and my boyfriend, Eric, they're like the best of friends. And even though Ayo haven't really talked a lot of things about you, I'm really happy for him. And I'm happy that you're the woman he's married.
Stacy, thank you very much. You are also a very wonderful woman. And really, Eric is so blessed to have you in his life. He is.
You know what? Let's catch up with the guys. They probably think we're missing in action.
So, what's making you to feel down? You want to talk to me about it?
I know. Something doesn't just feel right. My spirit is wild. No, this is not me. I'm not used to this kind of life. I like to go out, make money for myself, be productive, and come back home to you. Just sitting down here lonely, and all I can do is get fat. Just look.
All right. Let me go to work because I'm running late. When I come back in the evening, we'll talk about it. Is that okay? Agnes, you have a right to all what you're talking about, but this is America, and things are not going to work for you the way you want it. Is that okay? There's procedures to everything done in this country. Is that okay?
What procedures
Huh?
are you talking about? What procedures are you talking about? Procedure in our marriage? Procedure in our happiness?
Don't worry, when I come back, we'll talk. All right, I have to go now. I'm running late for work.
Fine, go. Let not be as if I stopped if I'm going to work. But please, on your way back, could you help me confirm where the nearest church is? Because I really need to go to church. I can see that you were so comfortable going to work every Sunday and not going to church. I don't see how that's possible for me.
All right. When I come back, we'll talk. Is that okay, man?
Okay.
I'll see you, okay?
All right, have a nice day.
Okay.
Honestly, Femi, I've been thinking seriously about it. You know, Agnes is not that kind of woman that would like to stay idle. She will be depressed, believe me.
All right, so what do you plan to do about it? I mean, she doesn't look like the kind of girl that would take risk.
Well, I understand, but what kind of risk do you have?
You know, she could actually work with other people's papers, but I can convince Stacy to give her her papers to work with.
Eric, I don't think Agnes will want to partake in such a risk. You know, she's too spiritual. And remember, her father is a pastor.
Why doesn't she pray for a miracle? Or better still, I'll tell you what. She can go back home to Nigeria to her family.
Eric.
What?
I mean, don't take it that far, please. That's not what I meant.
So what do you mean?
I have a plan, and I've been thinking seriously about it.
You have a plan?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hear your plans.
Eric, you know you and I have come a long way.
Okay.
and I trust you a lot.
Okay.
I want you to get married to Agnes, secretly, since you're not ready to get married now. And I promise I'm going to pay you for this. Trust me. Okay. I know you would be surprised for what I'm talking about, but believe me, you can do this for me. Please, Eric. Please.
Are you smoking ganja?
Oh, come on.
No, seriously, are you smoking something?
Eric, come here.
Do you know, it's your wife we're talking about here. You're asking me to marry your wife? Are you crazy? What is wrong with you?
I understand.
No, you don't. What is the matter with you?
I know, I understand. But Agnes is ready to do anything for me. This is about our family. She's going to understand. Trust me, I'm going to convince her. Eric.
You've gone bonkers. You've gone banana, seriously.
Eric.
All right. Let's say, for instance, that I agree to do this. What about Stacy? She's expecting me to propose to her any second from now.
I know, Eric, but are you ready to get married to Stacy?
Now, I'm not marrying Stacy or any woman right now, but that's besides the point, man. I mean, do you have any idea what you're asking me to do?
I understand how you feel, Eric, but please, I am really begging you to do this for me. This has to do with my life with Agnes. Please, I will do everything to convince Agnes, and she's gonna support me. And I promise you, I sincerely promise you, Stacy is not gonna know anything about it. Trust me. Eric, please, I know you can do this for me. Please,
Okay.
Please.
Go home, do your homework. When you're able to convince Agnes, okay, give me a call.
Really?
What are friends for?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hey, listen, that's what friends are for, all right? Today, I got your back. Tomorrow, you got my back. That's what life is all about.
Thank you. I promise you, Stacy is not going to know anything about it. And it's going to be between you and I. I really appreciate you a lot. Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
Do you understand?
Look, baby, I'm not used to all these games. I don't want to play games. I don't know how to.
Games? Did you say games, honey? I'm not playing games with you. I'm not playing games with you, honey. All right? I'm not. This is an opportunity for you to live a normal life in this country.
It's like I'm doubting my faith in God. I do not want to doubt my faith in God. I don't want to do that.
Listen, honey. But if God doesn't love you, He's not gonna bring a guy like that across you and I. Femi is just like a brother to me.
Maybe these things have never worked for me. It's never worked for me. I don't think it can ever work for me. Just understand my own part of this, please.
Pray?
Yeah. Yes, I need to seek God's advice over this.
Oh, come on.
I just don't want to do it because you asked me to.
What do you want to pray for? Do you think we have all the time to waste over this issue? We don't. This guy has a lot of things to do. He's not going to wait forever. Please, I want you to understand. Agnes, please. Please, why don't you do this for us? Please, are you gonna do it? Please. Just for you and I. Please, please. I love you, you know that.
I love you too. I love you with everything that's in me. I love you so much. And I will always love you.
That's my baby. Okay. Love you.
Love you too.
All right.
Hey, babe.
Okay, get back. How was your day?
Oh, man, I've had such a rough day. Oof.
Are you gonna be okay?
I'm trying to be. You know, the weather was so hot today, so blazing hot that even with the AC running, it felt like 100 degrees in the car. I'm just gonna go in and relax.
Are you gonna be alright, baby?
I'm really trying to be.
Is there something you want to talk to me about, babe?
No. You just won't understand, okay? Don't worry about it.
Understand what?
Come on.
Scaring me, Eric. Baby. What is it?
Stacy,
Come on, Eric, I'm listening. What is it?
would you believe me if I told you that I love you? That I want to spend the rest of my life with you? No, tell me, would you believe me?
I'll believe it.
Okay. There's something that I need to do. Okay, and I need your support, your full support in this one.
What's that?
Oh gosh, this is hard. It's something that I need to do for my brother, my friend and brother.
Your brother?
Yes.
What's talking about?
Ayo.
Oh, Ayo.
Yes.
You know how much I like Ayo. What you gotta do for him?
I need to help him and his wife get situated.
And how are you supposed to do that?
I need to get married to Agnes for 1 year. No, honey. It's not what you think.
Can you repeat that, Eric?
Okay, I need to get married to Agnes for 1 year to help them get situated.
Are you listening to yourself speak right now? Did you just say that you want to get married to another woman for a year, and I'm supposed to sit here and take it? Are you serious?
Honey,
Help her get situated.
it's not what you think. It's just...
Go ahead and say it. What?
Listen,
Just what?
It's just for 1 year. I just need to help them get situated, okay? I mean, I need you to help me I need to do this for my brother.
To do what? Are you listening to yourself, Eric?
Listen.
Did you just say that you want to marry another woman for a year?
It's not what you think, okay? It's not what you think. Come, please. Can you come, please? Sit down for a second, please. I've got something I need to tell you, okay? Just listen for 1 second.
What are you doing?
Stacy,
Eric, what are you doing?
I want to prove to you that there's no other woman in my life and that you are the only woman that I'd rather spend the rest of my life with. And could you, Stacy Morgan, marry me, please?
Why you keep doing this to me? Why are you trying to confuse me?
No, this is not me confusing you. This is from the bottom of my heart. I love you and I want you to spend the rest of my life, okay? Spend the rest of my life with me. Please say yes.
Why you keep hurting me like this, Eric? You know I love you and I want to marry you. Why you doing this to me?
Okay.
I'll marry you. I'll marry you, Eric.
Oh my God.
I'll die without you. My God, you need to stop hurting me like that.
I love you. I love you. I love you. Just sign right here and the house is all yours.
Okay. Are you sure this is going to work? I'm a little afraid.
How many times has he met this woman?
It says 3 times here.
Come on, don't worry, okay? I do this all the time. And by the way, did you pay the money into my account?
Yes. It was $120,000, right? Just check.
There we go.
Yeah. This guy is good. I tell you that now for sure. Preying on little poor people, huh?
Please, I took this money from my father's 401k. All his life savings. I just hope that this is not a scam.
Come on, why would I want to scam you? Besides, if you had the right documentations, you wouldn't need to put down $120,000, right? I'm the one structuring this, okay? I mean, no bank is going to issue you any loans based on your record.
I know. I appreciate it. God bless you. But, how come you never take me to your office? We're always meeting in a car.
You're afraid, huh? Well, do you want a house or my office?
I want a house. A house, that's what I want.
Shall we go get him right now?
I say we wait, you know. We don't want to blow our cover yet. We've been on him for a little while now, so I say we'll give him some more time.
All right, we wait.
Yeah, we'll give him more time. We'll get him.
Now, Eric, where I've indicated I'd like you to sign, please go ahead and execute that form and pass it on to your witness, Ayo. He similarly will sign.
Okay.
Thank you, Stacy. Thank you, Agnes.
I cannot believe this.
Thank you, gentlemen. Congratulations. You are married.
Just like that.
Just like that. That's it. Easy, right?
Yeah.
Congratulations. Many years of happiness and joy. Beautiful couple.
Whoa. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you.
You know what, Stacy? I'm so happy today. And I really want to thank you so much. You have really saved me, you've saved my wife, you've saved us from a lot of things. I just want to thank you. I really appreciate you. You made it all possible. Did you know that?
We're friends for you.
Brother Eric, thank you very much for everything that you have done.
Yeah, listen, not to worry, okay? Anything for you and Ayo. You just look ravishing in this dress. It's just that it's not a real wedding.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Go.
Honey, are you tired? You want to go to bed?
Yes, sweetie. I don't think I can finish this movie anymore. I'm so tired.
Okay, that's fine. I'll turn the TV off. You can go to sleep.
Okay, darling. Thank
All
you.
right.
Oh, sweetie, I need to talk to you about church on Sunday. You know, I want to go to church.
What church?
I don't know, any Pentecostal church around here that I can relate with, something that they preach God and the Holy Spirit, something I can feel free with, something like that is church back in Nigeria, you know. That's what I want to go to.
Agnes.
Yeah.
Agnes, yes. I have told you about this church issue. It's beginning to cause an argument between you and I. I go to work on Sundays, and that's why I can't go to church on Sundays. I have told you over and over and over again. Don't you understand?
Are you trying to tell me that because you go to work on Sundays, that I should be at home all through and not go to church? But you know that is not me. That's not the way I operate. I need to be among brethren, where I can pray and be filled with the Holy Spirit and come back home to you. That's what I need. Am I asking for too much?
Agnes, I told you I don't know any church around here. If you know any church around here, you can tell me and I'll take you. All right?
But I don't know any church.
And I don't know what you are implying. You're talking about material stuff and leave me alone.
You're basing so much emphasis on the material wealth rather than worshiping God. It is not done anywhere. Look, in as much as we need all the material things in this world, we still need God. We still need...
Go ahead. Preach on. Go ahead.
You know what? I'm not preaching. You know what, Ayo? I do not want to say I am disappointed in you. But for real, I am. I cannot believe that you can operate in a foreign land without the Holy Spirit, without going to church and listening to the word of God. I mean, you know this is not the way I was brought up. This is not the way you were brought up. I don't know what America has done to you. I don't know what material things have done to you, but you have just gone haywire. You have lost it. And it's not nice.
So?
Yes, I'm talking about material things. I mean, you putting God first before any other thing. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, talking about you putting your car, your job, your work, your life. I mean, God is the person who is giving you the air that you breathe. Why don't you just go to church once a week and thank Him? It's not a difficult thing, is it? You know, I can't even wait for Daddy to hear all this because I personally would tell him all that.
Agnes, I told you I don't know any church around here. If you know any church around here, you can tell me and I'll take you.
But you know one thing? I don't know who you are. I don't want to know who you are. But I know you're not my husband. So please bring my husband back to me. Bring him back to me.
Look, listen, better go to sleep, okay? God.
What's that doing?
Let me see.
Wait now. Who the heck?
Hello, Stacy.
How
Where's Agnes?
Oh, she's at home.
Ha! A-Y-O.
Hey, Femosti.
A-Y-O.
Bawuli.
Nothing much.
How you doing now?
So what brought you here today?
Man, you've got good news. Good news.
Well, what's the good news?
You and Agnes have a letter for interview with the immigrate.
You're kidding.
Yes,
Then
my
let me
man.
see.
Yes, my man.
Wonderful.
Oh my gosh. Sit down.
Thanks.
Wow, this is actually a letter from immigration.
Wonderful.
So, when did you get this letter?
Today, this afternoon.
You're kidding. Mm-hmm. So, where's your wife?
You mean our wife? Come on. Anyway, Agnes
watch
is
it.
home. She's home.
Hey, listen, she really has to know about this right away. Okay?
Yeah, and I think she should come over soon so she could get to know more about Eric.
That's correct.
More about Eric.
Oh,
okay?
really?
Yeah, we have to know a lot about each other.
The sooner the better.
Okay. I'll go back home, talk to her, and I'll bring her down immediately because I got to work later.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
I think we are hitting it. And you know what? Our God is good.
All the time. A-Y-O.
God is moving.
All the time.
God is
All the
moving.
time. A-Y-O. Nah, I'm happy for you. Man.
All right, let me go and get her, okay?
Okay.
I'll be back later.
All right.
Tell Agnes I said hi, okay?
All
Tell her
right.
to call me.
Okay, no problem.
All right, sweetie.
Thank you, guys. See ya.
All right. Man,
That's
I'm
great.
excited for this guy, you know.
Don't go cheating on me, okay?
Get out of here. To the left is the stove. To the right is the dishwasher and the oven. Okay.
So where do you keep your mop?
What?
Mop.
Mop. The basement. And I'll tell you later.
Okay, Uncle, no problem.
Please, could you stop calling me uncle? Okay, because if I'm supposed to be your husband and you keep calling me uncle, you'll mess this whole thing up for us.
Uncle Eric, I'm sorry. I would never call you uncle again.
God damn it. You just called me uncle, okay?
Well, I'm sorry. I'm not used to calling you by your name. Moreover, it is not in my culture to do that. You are my husband's friend. I'm supposed to respect you.
Culture or no culture, at this moment, I'm your husband. Okay? I want you to understand that.
Okay, Eric?
That's better. Okay, well then, let me show you the bedroom.
No, I'm comfortable here.
You're comfortable here? Well then, what size of bra do you wear? And what size of underwear do you wear?
I'm a size 34D.
What color?
My best color is black.
Okay, well, can I see it? Listen, I need to know these intimate things about you. Stop looking at me like that. Let me see.
No, I can't say it.
Listen, you have to trust me, all right? I'll show you.
No. No. I don't want to see anything, okay? Just ask me your questions and I'll answer you. That's all.
Well then. Will you make love to me?
Why would you want to do something like that?
Because I want to. Agnes. Listen. I want to make intimate love to you, okay? I want to feel your body, okay? I want to be able to tell people that I know you. I mean, to answer these questions as freely as possible. I mean, I can't do that if I don't know you that intimately.
No, I cannot. Look, for crying out loud, this is irresponsible. I am a married woman and you have someone that you're engaged to. God. Eric, you are my husband's best friend. I can't do it.
Did you just say this was irresponsible?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to understand that. Also, marrying you for your freaking green card is also responsible.
But I prefer to go back to Nigeria than do this. If that's the only sacrifice I have to give to you, I'm sorry, I cannot. Give me another sacrifice and I'll do it.
I put my life on hold for 2 freaking years, and this is what I get? You know what? When you make up your mind, you come back, okay?
And what are you implying?
What I'm implying?
Yes.
I thought you left.
But what are you?
What I'm implying, my African princess, is that I want to make love to you. It's as simple as that. Why are you holding me so tightly? I need to feel your body, your breasts, and I need to be able to hold you in my arms and prove to you how much. What is this? Are you a virgin? I tell you what. When you make up your mind, all right, you come back. I'll be here waiting. Freaking bitch.
I told you that this was not for me. I told you that the whole plan was making me nervous. I told you that I could not deal with it, but you would not listen to me. Now see what you have put me through. See what you have put me through.
Agnes, what are you talking about? I don't understand. What's going on? Talk to me.
What I am talking about is that your friend, your brother, asked me for sex. He wants to sleep with me. He says if I do not sleep with him for 5 minutes, that there will be no interview. That there will be no interview at all.
What did you tell him?
What was I supposed to tell him? What was I supposed to tell him? I told him that I could not sleep with another man. Another man that's not my husband. I told him that I loved you so much that I could not compromise my body for a green card. I told him that. I told him I can't.
Agnes, tell me. Is this a joke or something?
Baby, I know how you feel. But I want you to understand something. That my God, who sits up upon that throne, would never let us down. He is the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. He saw them through the burning fire, and they came out stronger than ever. This is just our trying period. God will see us through. I've been thinking, and I want to tell you this, but I think now is the right time. Sweetheart, I think we should just pack our things and go back to Nigeria. You have made so much money here. With the money that you have made, we can go back to Nigeria. We can invest it. And we can start something on our own and make it big. Sweetheart, Lagos is like New York. There are job opportunities everywhere. There are brethren to lift our spirits up when we are down. There is everything you need in life there. If we invest wisely, we would come out and laugh at the devil, and we can shout hallelujah to God as much time as we want to. We can sit here and feel sorry for ourselves. That's not what God's plan is for us. Sweetie, please, let's go back. Let's go back to Africa. Let's make a difference. Please. Please.
Baby, can I talk to you? Can I sit down?
Yeah, sure.
I want you to do it. Please, Agnes. I want you to sleep with him for 5 minutes. That's it. Okay.
Ayo.
Agnes. Agnes, calm down.
Ayo.
Listen.
Shh.
Listen.
Just
Wait.
Just look into my eyes and tell your wife that you want her to sleep with another man. You want me to defy my body to another man that is not you. You want me to sleep with your friend because of a green card? Ayo.
Please, Agnes. Agnes. Calm down. Agnes, try to understand what I'm trying to talk to you about. Please. Look, listen to me, Agnes. Look, this guy is very smart. And I want you to understand. He knows exactly what he's doing. Okay? And I'll tell you. Everything I've got in this country belongs to him. The house we live in belongs to him. We don't even pay rent. The car I drive, he owns the car.
He gave me his driver's license. I'm using his name to drive. He gave me every document in this country to work with. Please, I don't want to lose everything I've got. He can take everything away from us in a minute. He can do it. Please, Agnes. Please. I just want you to understand. Agnes, please.
Yes, I do understand, Well, I've said it to your friend, and I will say it to you again. I would not sleep with him. I would not do anything like that.
Agnes, please.
I would not sell my body.
Listen.
Look, now that we have the opportunity of reading the handwritings on the wall, let's just pack our things and let's leave. This is the devil's handwork. Can't you just see that this is the devil's handwork? It is the...
Agnes, please. Agnes.
Have you ever loved me?
Agnes.
Have you ever deep down in your heart, have you ever loved me for 1 second?
Agnes. Agnes. Agnes.
Leave me alone!
Agnes. Agnes. I love you, please, Agnes. I do care for you.
You don't love me.
Agnes.
You don't love me. Have you ever loved me? Have you ever had any atom of feelings for me? Because if you do, why would you want me to sleep with another man? Why would you want me to sleep? Why would you? No, I can't. I know you give me some. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. You have just 10 minutes to have a pound of flesh.
Oh, well. So, is this a surprise or something?
Are you ready or not?
Ready for what? And by the way, how did you get in here?
Your door was open, so I walked right through.
Agnes,
Don't touch me.
there's something I don't understand, Agnes. I'm willing to put my life on hold for you for 2 blinking years. And you can't do me this simple favor? What are you, a virgin?
You have 8 more minutes.
Well, hey, if that's what you want it, all right, I'll get it any which way you want it.
Agnes! 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 Honey, anywhere we can find him, let's go and look for him. Today is the interview. We cannot afford to miss it. Please understand.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm getting tired of this whole thing. I'm getting sick and tired. I just can't imagine. Him away.
What has he done?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know? I'm here with you and you're asking me such a question.
Jesus Christ. What kind of problem is this? And today's supposed to be the interview, remember?
Yes?
Sweetheart, we need to get out of here immediately, okay? Let's just leave this place.
Relax, just relax, okay? Relax.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. You can see the FBI. What else? You don't even know what kind of problem he is in. So let's just go.
I said relax.
Relax for what? What if...
Don't let us get into any trouble.
So can we leave?
Just relax. I'm telling you, just relax.
Ayo, I've been relaxing since the first day you asked me to marry your friend. And today I would not relax. Let's go.
Let them leave before we leave. We don't want to get into any trouble with him. Let them leave. Then we'll be at peace. Okay? Agnes! Agnes! Kilode! Agnes! What is the matter? What is wrong with you? Oh, come on. Let me take you to the hospital. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Yeah, hello, good morning. How can I help you? Okay. What's your name? Mr. John? Okay, Mr. John. The doctor will be available by 1 p.m. The appointment is 1 p.m., okay? Right. Thank you. Bye.
Mr. Ayo? Yes, please. Oh, maybe.
Jasmine? Oh, yes? Come here.
Doctor, where is she? What's going on?
Mr. Ayo, have a seat.
Calm down.
What happened?
She's gonna be fine. The important thing is that she didn't lose the baby.
Baby? Doctor, what baby are you talking about?
You mean your wife didn't tell you she was pregnant?
Oh God. Yeah, she told me something more like that.
Mr. Ayo, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, but can I see her?
Yes, Mr. Ayo. Okay. You can see her now.
What room is she?
Room 2, on the right.
Thank you so much.
All right?
Thank you. So whose baby is that? We both know it's not mine. So whose baby? I'm asking you a question, and I need an answer. I know we have always used protection whenever you're not safe. So whose baby is that?
No, I don't know.
You don't know? I've got nothing to talk to you about, okay? I believe you will figure out this puzzle by yourself. Bullshit.
No, you can do.
Leave me alone. Come on. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, woman. Will you?
It's not my fault.
Please let me get out of here. Did you? Come on. Let me get out of here. Crazy girl. Brought her all the way from home, and she's doing all this to me. Got pregnant by another man. Oh Lord, have mercy.
Hello, what you doing here? That's not how you do it. See you skipping it and further on, you must do right there. You fired, man. You fired, Bumble. You fired.
Just give me another chance, sir. This is the way I feel. This is the only money I could. Please.
All right, I'll give you $2 if you catch the bus. Cause this not working out. You fired, man. It's not working out. Good luck, man.
I'll clean it up. I will clean it up. I will clean it up, sir, please.
You know how long I've been in this job?
I know.
You know how long this job?
I know. I will clean
That's
it
your
up.
house right there. Right there. Oh, you fired. I don't want you here no more. Don't mess up my job for me, okay? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Over there. See? Over there.
So much agony, so much depression, so much struggle. You're in the right place, at the right time. Thank God that makes all things new. Do you want to go back to Jerusalem? Are you tired of Jericho? Tired of hardship? Tired of suffering? You want to make a new life? Have a new beginning? He's able to do it. Come on, let me have a word of prayer with you. Just kneel down for the Master. Amen. Amen. Don't cry. He will wipe away every tears. Every tears. Because with your heart you believe, and with your mouth you confess, and salvation is established. My dear God, it is well with you, my sister. Look at me. Everything will be well. Don't look back any longer. Don't go back to Jericho. Things will begin to work out for good for all them that love the Lord Jesus. Amen. Hallelujah. God bless you. Amen. Come on, everybody. Let's give God.
is your sanctuary. Oh Lord, it's my body. It's your sanctuary. Purify me like gold, so I might be bold to say, my body is your sanctuary.
My sister, you still there here?
Yes, sister.
You're still here. How are you? Everything okay? You look worried.
I don't have anywhere to go to.
Oh my God.
As a matter of fact, my luggage is outside the church.
Don't worry, sister. How old is the pregnancy?
8 months.
Oh, 8 months. God is good, okay? Everything will be taken care of. God will help you, okay, my sister? Don't worry, okay? Okay? As a matter of fact, our church, we have somewhere, a shelter where we keep our people that need help like you, okay?
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. Yes, don't worry. Okay?
Thank you.
Let's see. Let me call one of our brothers that will help you, all right?
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Come, please. Please. Babe, please, this sister, she need help.
Okay.
She need help. We need to take her to the shelter.
Sure, I'll do that.
Yeah.
Annie,
Yes.
we're gonna take her to the shelter.
Okay, no problem. All right. This is my brother Tomna. Yeah, we worship.
Sister, how are you?
He worship here with us.
We'll take you down, okay? Do you have any luggage? You have any bag?
outside, sir.
Definitely. Come on, show us.
Okay, my sister. Thank you very much. Don't worry, sister. Everything will be fine, okay?
Okay, now everything should be just fine. You need to change your eating habits a little bit, though. I'll take care of that baby, you know. And I'll see you next month.
Okay, sir.
You sure?
Yeah.
Is the baby very active? What's going on? You right?
Yes.
Okay, take care of that baby.
I will.
Okay. Come here, let me help you out.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome, my
God
sister.
bless you very abundantly.
Thank you, and you too.
God
And
bless
say hi to your husband for me, okay?
I will.
Thank you, and take good care of her, okay?
I will.
Thank you.
Used and to die. But Elijah said, if you only trust God and the word I speak, that cruise will never run dry. That oil will continue to flow in the name of Jesus. So today, I want you to be like that widow of Zarephath. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. You're ready today. Amen.
Father, you know my heart. This is my last money. I would give you my widow's mite, and you would bless me. I would go hungry for you, God. I would do anything for you. And today I'm proving it to you that everything I ever owned that's called money, which is my $1, I would give it to you.
We're dancing cheerfully and come and give your offering. Hallelujah. Why? Jehovah, Jehovah,
Hey, Agnes, how you doing today?
Fine, thank you.
All right, good. Guess what? Your blood work came back. Everything looked good, right? The baby's doing great. And guess what? Your blood pressure went down. So that means you were listening. I like that.
Thank you.
Good. Do you work?
But I used to.
You think you'll be able to pay for this?
I don't know.
Do you have a husband?
Talk about that.
Don't worry, don't cry. I mean, these things work themselves out, you know. What I need you to do is concentrate on you and the baby, though, you know. You gotta take care of that baby, okay? Just relax, and then, you know, we'll take it from there, all right? I'll look, see what I can do with the insurance, all right? Okay. Don't cry. Take it easy. Still have something to hold you up for a couple of days, okay? Now take that and, you know, I'll hold you up for a couple of days.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Don't worry, it's just a little something, you know. Stop. It's just a little something for you to have, okay? I'll see you soon.
Take my hand, lead me on to the light. Take my hand. Joe, what are you doing home so early?
I lost my job.
Joe, the devil is a liar. God is still in control.
In control of what? God, where are you? Why would you allow me to suffer? Am I not a Christian? I think I am. Because I worship you in truth and in faith. I pay my tithes. I even sing in your house. I help those who I can help whenever I can. But look at this, Lord. This house is in foreclosure. And I have 2 weeks to move out of here with nowhere to go. And to top it all up, I've just lost my job. And I don't even know where my next meal is going to come from. God, why would you forsake me like this? Why?
Joe, where is your faith? You are supposed to be the spiritual head of this household. You should be speaking words of encouragement and praise, not words of depression and defeat. Have you really forgotten about the miraculous God of the Bible? Who created a road through the Red Sea where there was no road? Can he not
God do the same for us, Joe? Have you really forgotten about the awesome God who fed 5,000 with 2 fish and 5 loaves of bread? Oh, Joe, can God not perform a miracle for us? Joe, honey, you always said to me that at the time of our need, God will meet us there. And Joe, I'm a believer that the God of by this time tomorrow will perform a miracle in our lives. Joe, where there is hope, there is life. And where Jesus is, Joe, there is life. My husband, I want you to know it is well with you, Joe.
Yeah, it is well.
Joe, it is well. It is well.
It is well. Oh, when peace like a river attended my way, when sorrows like sea
Sorry, I had just $3. I will return something.
Okay.
How you doing, sir?
Hey, how are you?
Oh, all right, 12, please, midnight.
$1.
Excuse me, sir. It's not the number I was asking you. 12, please.
That's what you said.
No, sir. Listen, it's not the number I was asking you.
That's what you say.
Oui. Vous voulez vous-même qu'on ait ouvert faire compte?
That's what you say.
Et pas ça me déjoue dans mon frère, non.
Non,
non, pas ça. Bon là. Eh, bon là. Ma punch oui. Oh, vous voulez venir avec?
Get out.
Oh!
Get out.
Excuse me, please. What's wrong?
I'm asking for 12. You give me one number. You refuse to give me my money back.
Okay, fine.
No, I need...
It's okay.
I
It's okay. How much is it?
$1.
$1.
Let him get out.
No, it's okay. No. Take your $1, please. It's okay.
Oh, mais okay, what price I have you?
How much is it?
Who is it? Liz, what's wrong? Come on in. What happened?
Honey, who is it?
Honey, it is Agnes from the church. Agnes, what is wrong?
Agnes?
Why are you upset? Tell me why you're crying. Agnes, what happened? Honey, something's wrong.
What is wrong?
Are you hungry? I'll get you something to eat.
What is wrong?
They came to the shelter and they took everybody away.
Who? Agnes, who is they?
The immigration. The immigration, they took everybody away.
Agnes, it's all right, Agnes. You're safe here. You can stay here. It's okay. Just relax, okay? Relax.
So what happened?
You just gave me that they took.
Who's they?
The immigration, they took everybody away. They took everybody away.
Oh, no, stop crying. I mean, feel at home, okay? You're safe over here, all right?
I've saved him with all my heart. I've saved him with everything that I have. I've saved him with my one last dollar.
My daughter, it is well. It is well, okay? It's well. Just eat the food, okay? Eat the food. Right now, you're safe here. Just eat the food. We can deal with that tomorrow. Just, let the baby eat some food, okay?
Eat, Agnes. Relax. Stay with us as long as you need to.
Honey, can you make me some tea, please? Anything you want, don't hesitate to ask, okay? Thank you, honey. No sugar?
Oh, I have one. You okay, Agnes? Okay.
Honey, can you make Agnes a bed? I need to turn in. It's been a long day, already. Just get yourself some rest. We'll meet in the morning, okay? All right?
Agnes, I'm gonna go and get your bedding, okay? You just sit here and relax, okay? It's all right.
Today's winning numbers are 7, 12, 13, 21, 24, and 36. 7, 12, 13, 21, 24, and 36.
Agnes, what's wrong? What's wrong? Listen, you're making me nervous. Come on, sit down. No, you're making me nervous. What happened? What happened?
I don't know.
Agnes, what is this?
Just look at the TV and look at the ticket. What is God
We
doing
hope
to
you're a
me?
winner.
I just want 100 of it.
Oh my goodness, Agnes, this is wonderful. Come on, sit down for me. Honey, Agnes, this is wonderful.
What happened?
Oh my goodness. Honey, Agnes just won $120 million. Wow! Joe!
Are you kidding me, Stacy? Stacy, oh my friend, come out! Oh my God! Jeez! Oh my God! How are you? Come on! Oh my God! Look at you! You look so nice. Thank you. Where you been? Stacy, it's been a living hell for me, but thank God for Jesus Christ.
I know.
Sweetie, you need to come be my fiancé. I swear to God, you can see my engagement ring. I'm so happy.
Oh my God, Tony told me everything. I'm so sorry about everything.
No, it's okay. It was for the better. I swear to God. My boyfriend, I'm getting married in 2 weeks. I've been able to do that.
Oh, look.
Sweetheart, this is Stacy I was telling you
Nice
about.
to meet you.
Hey. Stacy, wait.
So this is your husband, right?
Yeah, honey, she needs to be there. I swear to God,
Yes,
this is our
ma'am,
wedding
we're
card.
getting married.
It's next 2 weeks. And Stacy, you need to be there.
I'm getting married in December. Did you know that?
December?
Yeah.
Wow, congratulations. Nice.
Congrats.
Nice.
My fiance is right over there.
Oh, hello.
Come meet him. Come on.
Here we go.
This is my good friend that I've been telling you about.
Oh, Stacy.
Oh my gosh.
Don't know where you are with God, in God. But today, I want to show you a picture of what happens to somebody who leaves where they're supposed to be and go to where they're not supposed to go.